OnePlus is gearing up for its summer launch event in Milan, Italy on July 16, 2024, where it's set to unveil a lineup of new products. Among all, one of the highlights is the highly anticipated the OnePlus Pad 2, which is the successor to the company's well-received debut tablet, the OnePlus Pad. While OnePlus is touting this new device as the most powerful Android tablet to date, a closer look at the leaked specifications and rumors indicates that the Pad 2 might be more of an incremental update rather than a revolutionary leap forward. So, without further ado, let's get into the video to know about this upcoming OnePlus Pad 2. If leaked images are to be believed, the OnePlus Pad 2 will bear a striking resemblance to its predecessor. This isn't necessarily a bad thing, as the original OnePlus Pad was praised for its sleek and modern design. However, those hoping for a radical redesign may be disappointed. The tablet is expected to come in khaki green and space gray color options, maintaining the aesthetic established by the first model. One area where the OnePlus Pad 2 does seem to be making a change is in its display. The new tablet is rumored to feature a 12.1-inch IPS LCD screen, a slight increase from the 11.6-inch display of the original Pad. The resolution is set at 3000 x 2120 pixels, and it will maintain the smooth 144 Hz refresh rate that made the first Pad so responsive. The display is also said to support Dolby Vision and offer a peak brightness of 900 nits, which should make for an excellent viewing experience in various lighting conditions. It's worth noting that OnePlus has chosen to stick with LCD technology rather than upgrading to OLED, which some fans might have been hoping for. Where the OnePlus Pad 2 is set to make its biggest leap in the performance department. The tablet is expected to be powered by Qualcomm's Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 chipset, a significant upgrade from the MediaTek Dimensity 9000 found in the original Pad. This move to Qualcomm's latest flagship processor should provide a substantial boost in both processing power and energy efficiency. The Pad 2 is rumored to come in two configurations: 8GB RAM with 128GB storage, and 12GB RAM with 256GB storage. There are also whispers of potential 8GB plus 256GB and 16GB plus 512GB variants, which would offer even more options for power users. In terms of camera capabilities, the OnePlus Pad 2 doesn't seem to be breaking new ground. It's expected to feature the same camera setup as its predecessor, a 13MP main camera on the rear and an 8MP front-facing camera for selfies and video calls. While these should be adequate for most tablet users, they don't represent an advancement over the original model. The OnePlus Pad 2 is rumored to pack a 9510 mAh battery, which is essentially identical to the capacity found in the original Pad. It will support 67W Super VOOC fast charging, again matching its predecessor. While these specs were impressive in the first Pad, the lack of improvement here might disappoint some potential buyers looking for longer battery life or even faster charging. The OnePlus Pad 2 is expected to run on Android 14 out of the box, likely with Oxygen OS on top. This should provide a clean, bloatware-free experience that OnePlus is known for. In terms of accessories, OnePlus is reportedly planning to launch the OnePlus Stylo 2 stylus, a smart keyboard, and a folio case alongside the Pad 2. These accessories should enhance the tablet's productivity capabilities, making it a more versatile device for work and creativity. The original OnePlus Pad quickly became popular among Android tablet fans due to its high-quality display, strong performance, and competitive pricing. It offered a great alternative to pricier options from Samsung and Apple. The upcoming OnePlus Pad 2 looks to build on this success with a faster processor and slightly larger screen. However, with minimal upgrades to the camera, battery, and display technology, it might not be a compelling upgrade for current OnePlus Pad owners. Despite not being a revolutionary upgrade, the Pad 2 could still perform well in the Android tablet market. Its powerful processor should keep it competitive with other high-end tablets. If OnePlus maintains its aggressive pricing, the Pad 2 could again offer great value for money. Remember, many of these details are based on leaks and rumors. The final product may differ from current expectations. The Pad 2's success will depend on its real-world performance, price, and how it compares to other tablets at launch. While it may be similar to its predecessor in many ways, that's not necessarily bad if the original design was already successful. We'll know more after the official unveiling on July 16. That was all about OnePlus Pad 2. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe to our channel and also share your thoughts in the comment below.